killer new chicken recipe I've just found. And it's an absolute game changer for the lazy man who likes nice chicken and also likes Nando's. So you've got the lemon and herb extra mild and then the medium. So I'm personally more of a lemon and herb kind of guy, so I'm going to go for that. This is literally the easiest meal prep we're ever going to do. So all we have to do is preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Open one bag. So you want around half a kilo of chicken. This is 400, so slightly less. I prefer the mini fillets because they're more tender and juicy. It's not hot, is it? No, it's fine. Okay, so all you want to do, very, very easily, open one zip bag and try the opening top. One bag of chicken. Pack. Try and do this without touching it. Just going to literally bag in. And we're literally going to use the lemon herb seasoning, open it up, pour it in the bag, shake it vigorously, and then chuck it in the oven, wrapped up using that. So, see if we can do this on under 2 minutes. So seasoning in, cat brew. Sprinkle it over, brown pan, take that plastic out, job done. It's easy, literally like a minute. Straight to the oven, 30 minutes, and it's easy that, and we'll see when it comes out. Okay, so 30 minutes later, we're all done, ready to roll, so we're going to take out our magical, actually smells like Nando's, oven chicken. So this is obviously going to be hot as hell. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to go for a bag tear. Job done. So it doesn't look particularly appetizing yet, but it's all cooked. Once you take that out, now I'm going to cock on a little bit whilst it's heated. And that's it, it's easy as that. So Nando style chicken all cooked up. A bit of seasoning there, probably need to mix it around a bit more. But it's still, you see it's super tender, like pulls apart, so chicken in the bag, super effective. Lewis behind the camera, do you agree it smells like Nando's?
Yeah, it does smell like Nando.
It smells lemon herby, so give us a try, let us know what you think, and drop us any comments below. With this video, let us know your feedback. If you want to try the spicy one, give it a try, but lemon and herb is life, so hope it's helpful. And an easy chicken recipe for you.